Hello, good afternoon. Next, I will develop step 4 of task 4. I am Oscar Rios. I am 28 years old. I am Colombian. I am from Tolima, but alive in Bogota. I am reporting coordinator. I speak Spanish. I love database, watching films, and spending time with my family. I had in responsibility. There are my activities on a typical day. First, I wake up 7 a.m., take a shower and get ready. Then I have breakfast and go to work. I start work at 9 in the morning. I leave the office at 7 and go back home. I arrive home at 7:30. I have dinner with my family. After dinner, I usually relax while watching TV. Finally, I got back at 11:30 p.m. Thank you so much. Bye.